Hey, how you doing? Dennis here, and today we're checking out Tetris stacking sticky headers. Let's get started. For this example, we have 4 headers and a placeholder container for content. If you need help creating these yourself, check out my other video on sticky headers in the description below. Let's jump right in. Arrange your headers and content. Select all. Apply auto layout. Put 30 between. Align top center. Change canvas stacking from last on top to first on top. 30 padding on the bottom. Give it a fill. And let's call this main layout. Now select our Monday header, wrap it in another auto layout. Let's call it padding top. Notice here that the Monday header will be undisturbed, nested inside the padding top container. Add 50 padding to the top, which is the same height as our headers. Now do the same thing to Tuesday. Add 100 pixels of padding to the top of this one. Do the same thing to Wednesday. Add 150 pixels of padding to the top of this one. Select your top content container. Wrap it in a frame. Let's call it height adjust. And reduce its height by 50. Wrap these two in an auto layout. Call it height adjust. Set it to fixed. And reduce its height by 100. Wrap this content container in a frame. Call it height adjust. And reduce its height by 150. Select the main layout. Change it to fixed. Make it 950 to guarantee the scroll. Switch to prototype. Set overflow to vertical. Select your headers. And change position to sticky. Let's try it out. And there you have it. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you for more lessons real soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.